She was complaining, huh, Monica? The girl that took crib.
You know what?
Your teacher red.
Red.
That ice cream looks good. I'm not gonna get it though. Don't be touching people's hair. You might got cooties. Yeah, so.
Hey, I did
Hi. Y'all done? Oh, that was there.
It's hot.
Alright, so what I'm gonna get? I'm gonna get some Skittles. Lucas Chamoy. No. Can I get a Lucas Chamoy? And a blue Lukey.
Lucas Chamoy ice cream and
The ice cream.
Oh, hey, you can buy some more.
Ooh, I'm about to go home, take a shower.
what is?
And this right here.
1 or 2?
1. Then I'm gonna have 50 cents left, right? Yep.
Let's do it.
Hey, they got earrings. You can say,
I'll be like, give me your money.
No.
I'll be being
Alright,
rich.
so I have a quarter
I'll
left.
be being rich.
Can I get some Skittles? How much are Skittles cost? Oh, never mind. What cost 50 cents?
Give me all your money.
And the little, wait.